Hello everyone, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the box of D20, which is really a special wheelchair. Just cut the top of the strap and also the tab off, and then we can open up the top of the carton and then lay the whole carton down that we can pull out the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. When we have wheelchair outside the carton, you will find a seat cushion on the back here. And right in between the wheelchair, you can find a seat back cushion and other accessory inside the storage bag that we need to hold the top of the seat back, and then we lean the wheelchair to the front. That we can open up the wheelchair really simple and easy. There's a zip, we just zip up, and then we can find out a controller here, a charger inside the box, and the user's manual pack with some simple tools, safety belts for you available in the future. Let's set the seat cushion on the top of the seat here. The seat back cushion here with logo to the back. And then the controller with the pipe that we insert the pipe under the armrest. Then we can turn the knob to tight, and then connect the connector with arrow to arrow. And then we turn the knob in the middle to tight. Wheelchair has freewheel mode design that allow you to switch from manual or electric. It really depends on the situation that you prefer. If you want to control through manual, just push two levers to the front. That allows us to control through the manual control by pushing the wheelchair. If you want to do electric, simply push two levers back. And then we flip up the lever to the top that we can flip up the armrest. And then we can access from the side. Either you can go through the front too, put the armrest back. The wheelchair actually has fully charged on the battery. When it's go out of the factory, simply just touch the power on, that you can go to the front or go to the back. Turn the side, simply just touch the joystick. Really simple and easy. The wheelchair has 360-degree turning radius for you to go inside the room. It's really convenient for you. There are two ways for you to charge the battery. First of all, you can choose the joystick control charging. It's direct charge. Simply just plug in the connector. You'll find the connector on the very end. There's a groove and also the arrow there. And then a JBH logo on the other side. So you just put the JBH logo to the top. Then you can insert the connector inside the charging port. It's really simple and easy. Simply just connect the charger and then you can charge at any power source you want. There are two batteries which allow you to have onboard charge. They are sitting right under the seats. You just take out the battery from here, simply just pull it out. It's really simple. And plug in the charger plug. Then you can take out the battery to everywhere you want to charge. You're gonna bring it to your room or any other place with power source. It's really convenient. Fold up the wheelchair is also really simple and easy. We have a folding mechanism with a bar here right on the back. You simply pull out the bar and then push the seat back to the front a little bit. That allows you to one hand hold the seat back and the other hand hold the seat base. That we push two hands to the center. And then final thing is the footrest. We have the wheelchair fully folded. This is kind of very simple and easy when you go out for travel. If you got any question for setting up the wheelchair, please check the user's manual. We have a YouTube channel with a lot of information. Please subscribe to it, put your thumb up. Thank you very much.